Hey, what's going on? This is your boy, Beowulf!
I am Beowulf!
Alright, so I got my little bro here. If you didn't know, his name is now Gucci Gavin.
Gucci Gab. Gucci Gab.
Do the dance, man. Do the dance. Do the dance. This is the dance. The Gucci Gab dance. Be like,
That's
dude.
That's like the I am Beowulf.
Oh, I am Beowulf. You know, it's just like me, like ripping my shirt up and screaming. Ah! Alright, so, whoa, this is gonna be an action-packed video. Make sure you guys watch the whole thing. If you're new to the video, I'm Beowulf, this is Gucci Gavin. We do all different type of videos. Kind of my videos are always kind of about guns, cars, adventure, lifestyle. Gav, what do you do in your videos?
Videos, man.
Just videos. So, today, if you haven't seen other videos, Eric the Red got a Durango SRT. Well, Gucci here got the Durango SRT.
Stole it.
He didn't steal it. He didn't steal nothing. He borrowed it. And we're doing today, we're gonna first pull out all three of the vehicles. I'm gonna pull out my Jeep SRT, my Hellcat Challenger, and the Durango SRT. And the Durango SRT is already outside. So we're gonna do a photo for our Instagram with all three of the SRTs at one place at once. And right now it's starting to snow. We gotta start getting rolling on this video because what we're gonna do, Gucci's gonna be in the Durango SRT. I'm gonna be a, what?
We're gonna win. Gucci over here.
Gucci thinks he's gonna win. So we're gonna have my Jeep SRT versus the Durango SRT, and we're gonna see who is the fastest SRT SUV. And this is gonna be all holds bar, who's the winner, and we'll see who's the champion today. So let's get this video going. We got Pike here, like, what's going on, Pike? He's just kind of chilling. And you got Leo here wondering what's going on. And you like always, you've seen other videos, I got Cash is always doing the same thing. And anytime I start one of my videos, I'm here at the house, I can guarantee you where you can find Cash at. Cash just sleeps all the time. Cash, anything to say?
You got the right idea.
Cash is just chilling out. Alright, so we're gonna get this going. And we're gonna see who's the fastest. And we're gonna try doing all this before it starts snowing. And we're going out to Mexico. And it snows in Mexico if you're unaware of that. So let's get it going. Brother, what is it? Time to go.
What?
Time to go.
Fast?
No.
Time to go no Dodge.
Check it out, man. Got the Durango SRT. And then we got the Hellcat. And it's snowing. Jeep SRT. Let's do it. Yo, what's going on? We do a big here. Look at this. A whole lineup. SRTs. Hellcat. Durango SRT. Jeep SRT. Look at this. 3 SRTs. Look at this. It's crazy. Look at this. We don't have them in order how they should be. 2016, 2018, 2017. It's the whole lineup here. We should be a Dodge commercial right now. Dodge, where's the money, man? We're like totally advertising the vehicle.
If they want to do another commercial, we'll be the
This
Dodge
is the brotherhood of muscle right here. Brothers with 3 SRTs. This is how we're doing it here.
We need a third brother.
We need a third brother. So I just think I can see us, like, you know, be the next Dodge commercial. So we're gonna take
They don't need Vin Diesel no more. They got us.
They got us. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna do this legit where we're not breaking any laws. We're not gonna go to Mexico. We're gonna do from a dead stop 0 to 60 and see who's the fastest. Now I know some people go, oh, that's not a race. Well, we don't want to break any laws here. We don't have the drag strip and we're not breaking any laws.
And it's freezing out.
It's freezing out and it's starting to snow. So we're gonna see which one is faster. They both look really nice. So let's see how this is going. And we can see who the champion is. But I tell you, look at this nice lineup. Look at that. Right there. All right. That's a good screenshot right there. All right, so we're gonna go in. Brother, who do you think's gonna win?
Well, out of those three, I'd choose the Hellcat.
Well, obviously the Hellcat's the fastest. Both these cars, if you're not really familiar with cars, both these cars have the exact same engine.
Say what?
Say what? And it's one's bigger. This has like 6 seats, 5 seats. So it's actually 1 seat difference between the two. That's what's kind of funny. So we're gonna run these, and we're gonna see which brother is faster. If it's Brother Beowulf or Brother Gucci.
And this will
Gucci.
who they'll have in the commercial.
Yeah, okay. All right, man, look at this. This is like the first snow Hellcat's ever even touched. No, get it back in there. So let's get this Instagram photo and pull it back inside and let's get this video rolling. All right, so this is gonna be an epic video. I don't know if you see in the back there. Gucci Gab is in the Durango SRT. We're on our way to the little spot. We're gonna see 0 to 60 next to each other. Who is the fastest? Let's always remember the roundabout.
Overspeed.
Man, look at that. Gucci's like in the dust. Alright. So what do you guys think? Who do you think is gonna be the fastest? The Durango SRT or the Jeep SRT? I'd be kind of curious to see. Now, you guys don't know, I already have an AFE intake and an AFE exhaust. Yeah, it could make a difference, but right now it's like 18 degrees out. And look at this, the snow is like really picking up. Holy cow. And I think today we're supposed to get like 2 to 4 inches of snow. So that's why we're doing this video today. I know we're gonna do some more stuff tomorrow with the Durango SRT and the Jeep SRT. We're just trying to get this through in case the roads are really snowy and icy. So, my bet is on the Jeep SRT. It feels a lot faster. I know when I drove the Durango SRT, I feel that the suspension is a little bit better handling with the Jeep SRT than the Durango SRT. It felt a little softer. I was driving track mode like right now, and always the Jeep feels a little bit more like it seems like a lot like the Hellcat would be in track mode. And when I was in the Durango SRT, it just when it's in track mode, it didn't feel as firm, as hard as you would feel in the Hellcat or I'd feel in the Jeep SRT. But I have to tell you, man, it's cool to have those three lined up. Now it'd be just really epic to have these two on the drag strip. See, you know, it'd be really cool to have them both be of the same modifications and go against each other too. Both are really nice cars, so let's see. Let's see if we can do this again. He like was sleeping. He's sleeping. Let's do it again. Let's do it again. And I won again. I won again. When I'm still champion of the world, Beowulf. Alright, so we obviously see what car is quicker. It is the Jeep SRT. We did 2 times. 0 to 60. The Jeep SRT looks like it's faster. I don't know, bro. I don't know, bro. I think I won. that Durango SRT. It looks pretty sick. Looks awesome. Look at the wide wheels. It has the exact same wheels like I got on my Jeep SRT. Check that thing out. That thing is mean. 2 mean SUVs, and they're both made here in America. Can't beat that. Brotherhood of muscle. Look at this. This is like totally set up like a Dodge commercial. Dodge, hit us up. DM us. Here's the next commercial right here. Yeah, I'll race you for the pink slip. What? Man, I gave a head start and still beat him. What happened, Gucci? You lost, man.
Well, man, I knew the Jeep was gonna win.
Dude, did I got him? Both times, or no, we did like what, 4 times?
Probably the defect about the Durango is why yours goes faster. It says SRT on the back, and that's the only reason why.
What do you mean? Both say SRT.
One the tow.
Oh, tow hitch area. Why does this sit? Look at this. This one actually looks like it sits lower in the
I
back.
know, it's like
A lot lower. Holy cow.
Eric the Red already lowered it.
No, it's like it. No, it does. Look at that. It does. Yeah, it does. No, look at the fender well area. It's a lot lower gap than the Jeep is a lot higher up. It's like, it is really lower. Both are sick vehicles, man. When do you think? So you think Eric the Red's gonna be putting a Whipple on?
I don't
He's
think
gonna be
that's
putting the Whipple.
I don't think that's happening.
He could be like the first Durango SRT with a Whipple. Whipple. The whip. So, bro, man, you want to get one of these Durango SRTs now?
I'm just waiting for the Hellcat version.
It's gonna come out, I guarantee it. Just gotta wait and see.
Dodge just gotta let us know, man.
Yeah, I said in the video.
Hook us up.
So we're gonna be in the next Dodge commercial. Here's your Brotherhood of Muscle right here.
When the Hellcat Durango comes out.
Any commercial. Forget Vin Diesel. You got us.
So what, you would want to be in a minivan commercial of theirs?
No.